Alright, so you already got some idea of how HTML works by now, hopefully. Otherwise, I have been doing something wrong. Otherwise, you can give some feedback. I would love to hear feedback. So I'm just gonna go through some stuff here. So what we have here is a paragraph tag. We have a small tag, and then we can go in and add even more text in here. We can even add a tag in here and say paragraph hello. You can do that if you want to. There's no rules about that. There is how you organize the code. It's making it easier for Google to find out what your page is about, so you will rank high on Google. But there's another topic, is called search engine optimization, and we're not gonna go into this here because there's gonna be way too long course. Then we are only gonna focus on HTML CSS. We are gonna focus a little bit about the rules and that, but we're also gonna just learn and have fun and actually just learn something new. So what we can do is we can also go in and create a div, which is basically a small element where you then later on we will be able to style it, give it a background color with CSS, and then we can maybe also make it larger or something like that and put some content in it. We can already now give it a background color, so we can say style background and then color 5. So this is a black color, this is a white color, as you can see. You can also just go in and choose another color. You can find a color picker and it will find that for you. To those of you who have worked with graphic design, this probably makes a lot of sense for you. So the text color is gonna be white, but the background color is gonna be black. So we can go in here and move this inside here. So this is kind of like a box. You can determine how big, how small, or how large it's gonna be using CSS, which we're gonna go into later in this course. So if we now go into Safari, you can see it's changed. We have some style in here, and this is actually really good because then we have the possibility to style a website, so it's not going to be boring and just text like that. Imagine if every website looked like the old Microsoft website, like I can show you. It looked like this. Yep. So imagine if you had to create a website looking like this. It just doesn't look good, and we're gonna be able to build way more beautiful websites. Maybe not the next Facebook in design wise at first, but I'm gonna try to teach you how to do it. But web design is also just about being creative, which means you are allowed to think outside of the box. And that's what is really good about web design and web development. So we now actually have a website here saying hello world, with a white color and a black background color. So in the next video I'm gonna show you how to include an image.